Hi there from Bugeye Guys. Today I want to just talk to you about a recurring challenge with Bugeye Sprites, and we're going to show you how to fix it. This is a door seal, the correct door seal that we sell, and it's a very close likeness to the factory door seal, so everything's great here. It's also a new piece, and it's properly terminated behind the panel here. You should be able to see the panel kit is this vertical board, and it traps the door seal here behind it, and that gives you a nice terminated end that's hidden, and all that is perfect. But what's happened here is that as people get in and out of the car, they will chafe this with their shoulder as they go to sit into the seat and pull it off of the flange. And this is not a great design. So we've seen this before, and what you need to do is understand what's going on here. It will help you to have the best results. So the first distinction is that this little clip is shown in the factory parts book, and it is essential because the teeth on the gasket need to actually grip. You would think they're strong enough to grip this flange. It's pretty straightforward. It looks like it would be adequate, but it isn't, and you need at least one clip. What we're gonna do is add 2 more clips here to give this more to bite into, and then we're gonna squish this down. Each little alligator jaw inside here is an independent steel clip, and by closing those a little over these barbed clips, we should have a more permanent seal. So Austin, that's your cue to get in there and add some clips. He's gonna use any hammer will do. And just basically he's giving the alligator clips in the seal a little bit more to bite into. And then he's going to take the door seal and feed it back over that assembly carefully so that he doesn't have any wrinkles. Hang on, I'll get the brake for you. Austin is very powerful. He moves small cars with the slightest movement. So you've used the dead blow to just basically put it over the clips, and it's still not quite engaged. Can you squish that any further? And part of the challenge is that it's 2 pieces. The clip is just sewn in there, is it not? Yes. So they have to come up with a method to attach the metal to this fabric, and it's actually thread holding them in place. But that's the fix. By using the dead blow hammer, he's able to drive it up over those clips, and now it has more resistance. You still, unfortunately, have an imperfect seal that's vulnerable. If you scrape it every time you get in and out of the car, it will probably come off again. But that's how we address that here at Bugeye Guys.